The park was alive with laughter and light, a vibrant haven filled with wonder. Beneath the sprawling tree, a peculiar glimmer caught two curious eyes. Hidden from plain sight, the door shone like a secret. What mysteries lay behind its enchanted frame? With one brave shove, the door creaked open, spilling forth a kaleidoscope of color. Joy rushed in like a tidal wave. A flurry of wings sparkled under the sun. The butterflies twinkled like tiny stars, swirling and gliding in sweet chaos. In a burst of delight, he darted after the fluttering creatures. Catching them felt like chasing dreams. An elder of the park watched with weary eyes. "Slow down, young ones," he cooed. "The beauty lies in the moment." Ignoring the sage advice, she crafted a scheme. A grand net would ensnare the vivid visitors of the garden. A tangle of limbs and giggles erupted. Instead of catching butterflies, they caught a bout of laughter. Together, they tumbled into nature's embrace. An explosion of joy under the warm sun, they stumbled upon pure bliss. As the creatures twirled, they paused, surrendering to the magic of the moment. Adventure unfolded in stillness. The park, a canvas of colors, invited them to stay and simply be. They realized, as laughter mingled with the breeze, that sometimes just enjoying the dance is the greatest adventure of all.